In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a YouTube Official Artist Channel OAC using DistroKid. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure you have a public YouTube channel dedicated to your music and at least one release distributed through DistroKid that's already live on YouTube Music. Once your release is available, YouTube will automatically create a topic channel for your music. Next, log into your DistroKid account, open the YouTube Official Artist Channel tool and submit your personal YouTube channel URL, your topic channel link and your artist name exactly as it appears on your release. Double check that all the information is correct, then submit your request. DistroKid will forward it to YouTube for review and approval can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks. Once approved, your personal channel and topic channel will be merged into one official artist channel, complete with the music note verification badge, unified subscribers and views, and access to YouTube Music artist features. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.